Hello children, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. So today we are doing from grade 3, 9 hats Hindi from grade 3. The poem name is Paid. Okay, the poem name is Paid. Take out 3rd standard children, take out your Hindi textbook, 9 hats Hindi. Take out page number 102. Okay, take out page number 102. Okay, let's start. The poem name is Paid. Paid means what? Paid tree. Okay, paid is equals to a tree. So who has written this? Dr. Sherganj Garg. The poet name is Sherganj Garg. Okay, paid is equals to tree. Dr. Sherjang Garg. Okay, so let's start. Take out page number 102. खड़े खड़े मुस्काते पेड़ कहीं न आते जाते पेड़ खड़े खड़े मुस्काते पेड़ the tree will stand there only, right? They won't move here and there, right? So खड़े खड़े means they will stood there only. मुस्काते पेड़ always they'll smile. कहीं न आते जाते पेड़ they'll never go here and there. They won't go here and there. जंगल हो या तड़क भड़क हो पर्वत घाटी खुली सड़क हो बादल बिजली तेज कड़क हो whatever it may be, whether which season it will be, the trees will be there only, right? Jungle ho ya tadak bhadak ho, whether it will be a forest, whether it will be a normal street roads, tadak bhadak, that bhat, pomp and show means you can think anywhere, okay, anywhere in the forest or in anywhere on the streets and all. Parvat ghati, parvat means mountains, valley. Khuli sadak ho, if the open streets also, open road also. Badal bijli tez kadak ho, badal the clouds will thunder, no, that time also tez kadak ho, if the thunders are very strong also. किंतु नहीं घबराते पेड़ सैनिक से डट जाते पेड़ they will never ever get scared. घबराते means get scared, get fear, afraid. Okay, whatever it may be, so they won't get scared at all. सैनिक से डट जाते पेड़ they'll stand like a soldiers. How the soldiers are standing and they are protecting us, right? Always we should thank two people in our life, that is, one is soldier and the second one is farmer. These two person are very important in our life. We never ever forget soldier and farmers. Okay, किंतु नहीं घबराते पेड़ they never ever get scared of anything. सैनिक से डट जाते पेड़, so they will stand like a soldiers only. Okay, they will do the duty as a soldiers, like that you can understand. Okay, खड़े खड़े मुस्काते पेड़ कहीं न आते जाते पेड़ जंगल हो या तड़क भड़क हो पर्वत घाटी खुली सड़क हो बादल बिजली तेज कड़क हो किंतु नहीं घबराते पेड़ सैनिक से डट जाते पेड़. Okay, next. Again I'll repeat page number 102. हरे गुलाबी गहने पहने सीख गए अब आतप सहने इनकी मस्ती के क्या कहने हरे गुलाबी गहने पहने गहने means the jewels, the गहने means the bangles. हरे गुलाबी, हरे means green color. What will be in the tree? In green color, the leaves. Gulabi means pink. Okay, हरे green color, pink color. गहने पहने, गहने means like a jewels. Okay, गहने means like a jewelry, that one. So these they will wear pink means pink flowers, the green leaves, that one is like a jewelry for them, for the trees. सीख गए सब आतप सहने, आतप means heat. If summer will be there, if too much heat will be there, the tree will go somewhere else, no, right? So they got to know how to take the heat, how to dissolve the heat, how to take care of the heat, how to stand in summer, how to stand in the heat. इनकी मस्ती के क्या कहने. So always they'll have a fun. Always the trees will be very happy. The trees will be very happy always. Always they do some fun like that they are telling. खिलना हमें सिखाते पेड़. खिलना means blooming. So always we should very happy in our life. That one they will teach to us. Who? The trees. Always they will teach to us what? Khilna. Always we should be very happy, very good to everyone. That one we will learn from the trees. Sikhate means learn. They will teach us. They will teach us. The trees, they will teach us how we have to good with all the people. Sundar दृश्य दिखाते पेड़. Sundar means beautiful. दृश्य means scenery. Whenever you will see any like trees, plants, no, we will feel very happy, right? We will say, oh, what a greenery. Oh, what a beautiful scenery. Like that, right? That one. Sundar दृश्य दिखाते पेड़. Always they will show us a good scenery or good greenery or beautiful greenery. कई तरह के फल उपजाते. कई तरह के फल उपजाते. खुशबू वाले फूल खिलाते. खुशबू वाले फूल खिलाते. लेकिन थोड़ा सा झुक जाते. लेकिन थोड़ा सा झुक जाते. कई तरह के फल उपजाते means from trees will get so many different kinds of fruits, right? Fal means fruit. We'll get from trees so many different kinds of fruit, right? Apple. So many fruits we'll get from the trees. खुशबू वाले फूल खिलाते. खुशबू means the fragrance, the good smell, fragrance. Fool means flower. We'll get so many flowers, so many different kinds of flowers with the good smell, with the good fragrance, right? That one also they will give to us, trees. लेकिन थोड़ा सा झुक जाते. But sometimes they will bend themselves. Sometimes they will bend themselves, right? When they will bend, children, when they will bend. Whenever the tree will give the fruit, that time how the tree will be, that time they little bend, right? Because of that weight of the fruit. Like that they are telling. Okay. Next. Page number 103, children. Page number 103. सज्जनता के नाते पेड़ फूल नहीं समाते पेड़. फूले नहीं समाते पेड़. सज्जनता के नाते पेड़. Sajjanata means what? The bhalai. Always they will give, always they will do good to us. Right? We will get a shed from the tree, we will get a fruit from the tree, we will get a flower from the tree. Right? They never say, no, you don't pluck my flower, you don't take fruits from me. Right? They won't tell. Sajjanata means always the good things they will do to us. Phule nahi samate ped. Always they'll be fulfilled. Always they'll be happy. To be very happy. Always they'll be happy. Always the trees will give happiness to us. कड़ी धूप में बनते साया सारा जीवन सरस बनाया. कड़ी धूप में बनते साया सारा जीवन सरस बनाया. पेड़ों की है अद्भुत माया. कड़ी धूप. धूप means the sunlight. Kadi means the strong. When the strong sunlight will be there, always we will look for the tree shade, right? That one. Saya means shade. Sara Jeevan Saras Banaya. Our life will be very easy. Our life will be very good because of the trees. Why? We will get oxygen from the tree. We will get flowers from the tree. We will get fruits from the tree. We will get a shelter from the tree. Right? That all. Pedon ki hai adbhut maya. The trees have the adbhut. Adbhut means the wonderful. Maya means the illusion, magic. So the trees have a wonderful magic with them. The trees have the wonderful magic with them. पहले वर्षा लाते पेड़ फिर छतरी बन जाते पेड़. First when the rainy season will come, पहले वर्षा लाते पेड़, because of the trees only we will get a rain, right? Correct? This one you should study in the science. Okay, I can't tell how the trees will get a rain. That one you should study from the science. पहले वर्षा लाते पेड़. First when the rain will come, फिर छतरी बन जाते पेड़. Because of the tree we will get a rain. After these three only will stand as an umbrella for us. Whenever rain is coming, okay, we will go. We will just look. If we don't have umbrella, we'll just look over the tree and we'll just go and stand there, right? Correct, right? Below the tree. Correct, not that one. फिर छतरी बन जाते पेड़. Like that only they'll become an umbrella also for us. Whenever summer season also, if tree is there, that is a good umbrella for us, right? We don't need a like plastic umbrella or like that, right? Like that. So next we'll go for the textbook exercise. Tadak bhadak, dhaat baat, pomp and show. Kadakna, garajna, to thunder. घाटी दो पर्वतों के बीच का संकरा भाग वैली. आतप गर्मी हीट. सज्जनता भलाई जेंटलमैनलीनेस. फूल नहीं समाना, फूला नहीं समाना, अत्यंत प्रसन्न होना, टू बी वेरी हैप्पी. कड़ी तेज स्ट्रॉन्ग. सरस रसपूर्ण वाटरी और जूसी और रसीला. माया लीला चमत्कार इल्यूजन मैजिक. साया छाया शेड शैडो. अद्भुत अनोखी वंडरफुल. सही उत्तर पर टिक का निशान लगाइए. पेड़ एक जगह क्यों नहीं खड़े रहते हैं? वाई ट्री कैनॉट स्टैंड in why the trees will stand in one place? Because वे स्थिर होते हैं, because they are constant, they can't move here and there. That's it, that is the answer. पेड़ पर प्रायः कौन रहते हैं? Who will be in the trees? Always पक्षी. पक्षी means birds. जानवर means animals. मनुष्य means people, human being. So always in tree you can find only birds. किसकी छाया में प्राणी विश्राम करते हैं? प्राणी मीन्स एनिमल हियर. इन whose shadow all the animals will take a rest? पेड़ की छाया. So whenever like tree is there just you think outside, if you see in the morning the shed will be there. That time the tree shed, you can see the dog went and sleep there, like that. Okay, all the animals will rest in the tree. Next, पेड़ कब झुक जाते हैं? When the tree will start bending themselves. जब वे फलों से लद जाते हैं. When they will full of fruits, that time the tree will bend themselves. The branches you can see. लिखित दिए गए शब्दों की सही जोड़ियां मिलाइए. Match the following. पर्वत घाटी. पर्वत means mountain. बादल बिजली. बादल means cloud. बिजली means thunder. पेड़ फूल फल. पेड़ मीन्स ट्री, फूल मीन्स फ्लावर, फल मीन्स फ्रूट. वर्षा रेन, छतरी अम्ब्रेला. निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर एक वाक्य में लिखिए. यू हैव टू राइट अ आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस. पेड़ खड़े खड़े क्या करते हैं? पेड़ खड़े खड़े मुस्काते हैं. लाइक दैट यू शुड राइट. डोंट राइट ओनली मुस्काते इज आंसर. पेड़ खड़े खड़े मुस्काते हैं. पेड़ किसकी तरह डट जाते हैं? पेड़ सैनिक की तरह डट जाते हैं. हाउ द ट्रीज विल स्टैंड? ट्रीज विल स्टैंड एज अ सोल्जर. पेड़ कड़ी धूप में क्या बन जाते हैं? व्हाट दे विल डू फॉर अस व्हेन द फुल सनलाइट, फुल सनी विल बी देयर आउटसाइड? छाया. छाया मीन शेड. शेड. दे विल बिकम एज अ शेड. पेड़ कड़ी धूप में छाया बन जाते हैं. वर्षा कौन लाते हैं? हु विल ब्रिंग अस रेन? That is tree, पेड़. Then this is very important, children. Please, whenever you have any poem, if you have these like 2 stanza or 3 stanza, please do that. Please practice that because they can ask in your annual exam. Okay? हरे गुलाबी गहने पहने, सीख गए सब आतप सहने. पहले वर्षा लाते पेड़, फिर छतरी बन जाते पेड़. After that what we have? भाषा बोध. दिए गए विकल्पों में से उचित विकल्प चुनकर रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति कीजिए. Here some grammar parts they have given. You have to choose which one is the correct and you have to fill it. गीता की माताजी अध्यापिका है. गीता's mother is a teacher. पिताजी बच्चों के लिए मिठाई लाए. The father bought sweets to the children, to the kids. रमा बाजार से फल लाई. रमा bought fruits from the market. मेज पर पुस्तक रखी है. The book is on the table. Now, Visheshan Vishesha. Visheshan means adjective. Vishesha means subject. Okay, you know adjective, right? A beautiful dress. Beautiful is a Visheshan. Dress is a Vishesha. Like that. Vakya. Vakya means sentence. Hare gulabi gehne pehne. Hare gulabi will come in Visheshan. Gehne will come in Vishesha. Hare gulabi means the identifying the colors. Hare means green. Gulabi means pink. Gehne means the jewelry, the jewels. Sundar drushya dikhate ped. Sundar means beautiful. Drushya means scenery. So, beautiful is a Visheshan. Sundar. Drushya, the scenery. That is Vishesha, subject. Khushbu wale phool khilate. Khushbu. Khushbu means fragrance. Smell, a good smell, fragrance. That one is Khushbu wale, Visheshan. Phool is a flower. That is a Vishesha. Kadi dhoop mein bante saya. Kadi dhoop. Kadi dhoop means the strong sunlight. Kadi means strong. Dhoop means sunny. It's very when sunlight is very heat, that time what? We will take a help of a tree, no? Or umbrella, right? Like that. Parvat ghati khuli sadak ho. Khuli means open. Sadak means road. Next, you have to see the picture and you have to write the paryayavachi shabd. Paryayavachi माने मतलब synonyms बच्चों, synonyms. Ped, this is tree. Tree we have one more name as the ped. Vruksh. Cloud, megh, badal. Sun, surya, suraj. River, nadi, sarita. Okay. Then here we have aam ka ped. Mango tree. Aam ka ped. Aam means mango. Kele ka ped. Kela means banana. Banana tree. नारियल का पेड़. नारियल मीन्स कोकोनट. शब्द की अंतिम वर्ण लेकर शब्द सीढ़ी पूरी कीजिए. झंडा. Last, from last word you have to make a word. See, da is there. Then from da you have to make a duck. Again ka is there, kamal. La is there, ladka. Like that. Okay. Kalam. Ma is there, last letter. Then mali. La is there, ladki. Ka is there, kabutar. Like that you have to do. Okay, that one will call it as a शब्द का अंतम वर्ण लेकर. अंतिम means last word. Varna means letter. So last letter you have to take and you have to make a next word. That one. Okay. So that's it, children, about this. The beautiful poem that is Ped. Okay. From Dr. Sher Jung Garg. That's it, children. Please concentrate and study well. Okay. Bye bye, children. Take care.